Right, faffage complete, I think.
Excellent.
I've just noticed I've got a different lead on my phone, and it's a slow charging lead.
Oh, nice.
So instead of being a full battery, I'm at about 50%.
Look at him with his Mr. T haircut.
Very nice.
Pester's Lane.
It's what you feel at home there, Nige.
I'm surprised somebody hasn't written sex in front of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we bear off left here, don't we? Yes.
Yes.
I say.
Good lord.
I say.
Steep.
Oh! At least I was ready for that.
Yeah.
Thanks, Nige.
Well, once you saw us get
Right.
airborne.
Nige wants to go again.
Okay.
This is where we came, Steve, and that car cut the corner as I came round here.
Right, yeah.
And didn't she cut the bloody corner and all?
Did she?
Oh, didn't she ever?
Oh, yeah.
Aye, somebody's gone straight on in there, look.
Yeah.
That might be her.
Union Jack. Yeah, because it was up here. We came past a house, a bungalow, and there was a woman trimming her bush.
What's there
And
now?
I commented,
Yes.
what a nice, presentable bush he had.
Yeah.
This one up here, look.
She does take care of the bush, doesn't she?
Yeah, it was that one, wasn't it?
Very neat and tidy.
Unlike her neighbours.
Yeah.
Oh, natural.
Amazonian. Black stripes matter. Nice church.
I don't know.
That's on the
And a red car.
Look at that.
I don't know if there's a...
That's where we used the skittle from on the left.
And they're flying a Union Jack. God bless you, Governor.
flying bloody German flag on the left, the other side of that button there.
Was it?
Yeah. I would have liked to have seen all these little towns and villages when all the original shops were open, all the locals.
Oh, yeah.
When you had your bloody grocer and your ironmonger and all that lot.
Before it was all fucking Tesco.
Yeah. Before the supermarket killed the towns out of France.
Yeah. Well, they're ripping down half of Yeovil in the middle of it, at the bottom, down in Middle Street.
Yeah.
The big old bus station's coming down.
Let's be honest, all of Yeovil wants ripping down.
Yeah.
You can't do that, there's a water shortage.
How do you know? All our water's underground.
Has he not had the letter?
Obviously not.
Whilst we're not imposing a hosepipe ban, we are asking you to use water sparingly. So they're putting the fucking prices up and asking you not to use as much.
Yeah.
And he's watering the pavement with it.
Where's he going? He's a foreigner.
Right, somebody's camera's just switched off.
I was just going to say whose camera. I was just seeing if it was mine.
Well, it wasn't mine.
It was mine, I think.
Yeah, I don't think it's mine because mine are on power.
No, it was mine. I haven't been filming. So just gone to sleep.
Gone to sleep.
Yeah.
Be fucking ashamed of yourself. It's no good buying a new bike and then not filming it.
No.
I did 30 seconds on the way to yours.
Cockers
on the way to the calf, sorry. I did another 30 seconds at the calf.
Mind you, all you can see is my arse, so...
Oh, it's not bad, ass. I'll give you that much. It's slightly narrower than the one I'm used to. Nige.
Mind you, see,
I have to say Nige.
Yeah, Nige's asymmetrical panniers are giving me PTSD from back here.
It's like when he looks down at the cylinder heads, one slightly in front of the other one. It's like,
oh.
Yeah, slightly in front of the other.
I haven't got OCD, but that
But
would get on my
I don't
nerves.
mind because my left bollock hangs lower than my right.
Yeah, but that's normal apparently. I see they're on about banning motorbike parking from outside the, you know, the little stalls down at West Bay.
The circle area, yeah.
Miserable wankers.
But,
They tried stopping it before and then encouraged it because they realised how much business they're going to lose.
Well, exactly. Where's everybody going to park?
the business community is pushing to keep it, and what they're doing is canvassing all the locals. Well, they're fucking old miserable bastards.
Exactly.
So they're going to say no, get rid of them. I mean,
But the amount of money bikes bring in.
yeah, and all they will do is push all the bikers somewhere else.
Yeah. So they'll take up all the car parking spaces, and then no one will be able to park anywhere.
Either that, or they'll bugger off to another town and start.
Well, exactly.
Yeah, all those little huts will go out of business. Helmet City will shut down.
Yeah.
Fucking idiots. I say, is that an old Fantic?
It is, yeah.
I say. Oh no, maybe not.
Ding dong! It was one of those that's
Yeah, distance.
nice from afar and far from nice.
Yeah.
He's going to be disgusted I didn't let him out that GS.
You're probably thinking GS wanker.
Yeah. Do you think she uses Timotei?
I think so. Do you think she'd be offended if you said, "Can I sniff your hair?"
1000 XR and a Triumph Tiger. Oh, that's something else I had to say, Steve. That bike doesn't look anything like a Triumph from the back.
Doesn't it?
No, looks like an elderly woman dragging her ass on the floor. Oh, satchel
So
ass.
what does it look like from the back then? It's not as bad as what they call it. They did a Pacific Coast, didn't they? 800.
Oh, yeah.
That was bloody ugly, wasn't it?
PC 800, wasn't it? I say, lots of badges on my leather
Nice.
waistcoat.
Nice tassels.
Lovely tassels.
You have to get some for yours, Nige.
I bet he's got some on his nipples as well.
And the butt plug.
If you ever go in this cafe here, Sue's Cafe, up here into the left,
Yeah.
the old boy, I don't know whether he owns it or he's the husband or what, I don't know, but you order your food and you have to give your order about 5 times. In there it is with the
Oh, really?
You give
Yeah.
your order about 5 times because he's deaf as a post. And then when your order
What's that?
That's, imagine it in Steve.
Yeah. Hey, what?
Christ knows what we'd end up with.
When your fucking order does come, it's nothing like what you fucking ordered. Steve, watch out, pigeon.
Here he comes.
Pigeon. Where's he gone?
Ow!
Now, I think when we go down through here, I'll try and point it out. If it's still there, I think it's one of the new type cameras. Like speed cameras.
Yeah.
You know, the bastards that get you from a kilometre away and it doesn't look like a speed camera.
Yeah, it's down here on the left, on it.
Yeah, down on the left. You can
check
see
you for other things like looking at your phone.
Yeah. But you can see it on the post.
Up on that post there, isn't it?
This post on the left. See it? No, I don't.
Oh,
think
yeah.
that's a normal AMPR.
No. Bastards.
Right, we've got to be naughty in here. That twin will make a noise.
I can't do that.
Oh no, fuck me, you just accelerate.
I would, yeah.
And mine sounded terrible.
Yeah, but it's a V4.
Yeah, but it's a lovely quiet. I've looked at it twice and I thought, why did I bother?
That fucking board there with a picture of the Melplash show, and it had a picture of a bull, you know, like a cow but a bull.
Yeah.
It actually looked like my great grandma. She was fucking lethal. She
Really?
She used to put one of the dining room chairs in the bay window, and she'd sit there facing us, facing into the lounge. And if you got within striking distance, because we'd insult her all the time, because she really was a bloody old grumpy K, so we'd insult her. But if you got within striking distance, she'd whack you with her fucking walking
Really?
stick. Oh,
Nice.
sit there with her legs at 10 to 2, flashing her blue.
Her apple catchers.
Yeah. Nora Batty bloomers. Aye, aye.
I thought that was actually somebody sat there.
Come on, then we moved over. You've only got from Jazz. Oh my life. Looks like his wife's dead in the passenger seat. I wonder if he knows. Oh, of course, it's that time of the year, isn't it, for all the guys?
Yeah. Melba Show with a picture of a goat on it. Very
Oh,
nice.
it's a goat now. Not my great-grandmother on the board on that one, then. She really did look like Arthur Mullard. Without his teeth in. All you used to hear from her, put that cat down, put that cat down. And try and whack you with a fucking walking stick.
Yeah, but that's how children should be raised.
Yeah, I tell you, she was proper old school. She'd fucking belt you. Yeah, you if you got within whacking distance, doesn't matter whether you insulted her a week earlier, you'd get a fucking wallop.
We grew up with the slipper and the cane. And, you know, look how bad we would have been if we hadn't.
Yeah, exactly.
Aye, aye. He did a proper nod.
He did.
Very enthusiastic.
Thought he was going to climb off the bike and come and fucking headbutt me. And when we leave, Nick, I know you've had a nice day, but we don't need to cuddle and lick each other's earlobes.
We're not doing that this time then. It's the only reason I come out.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's one of the ugliest cars ever made, a Nissan Micra convertible. Look at it.
Oh my good lord, yeah.
That should be illegal, shit.
Yeah.
Looks like Kermit with his shirt off.
That's like having a Morris Marine looking convertible, isn't it?
Offensive.
They done that Marine coupe or something. That should have been outlawed.
Yeah. Oh, look at that lot. Sunday afternoon, look.
Yeah, what?
We could be doing that if we didn't spend all our money on petrol.
Yeah, exactly. You could spend it on hangovers instead.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You watch when I pull up at West Bay, you got all these sports bikes and all that. They look at you and oh fuck, it's one of them. It's one of them.
Yeah.
Fucking GS wanker. Well, I'm blowed. It's not as many here as I thought they were.
Right.
Nowhere near as many. Oh, let's fire that on quickly. Are we parking here or over there?
I was going to try up the top.
Yeah. Bit nearer the...
You'll get shat on.
Bit easier for
Oh
me
my
to spend
God.
my money.
like fucking Hitchcock, innit?
The birds.
So I've never understood why they don't do Friday. So that's the week off.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice
Well,
TV
there's some-
1300 there.
Oh, yeah.
It's not giving away, is he?
He wasn't going to give way.
Obviously, he couldn't read that sign. Surprised. The TV on his dashboard.
Where are you? You coming?
Man, where is he?
Oh, there you There's enough space around here next to
Oh, he's all the way over there, that.
Have a look at this fucker sat down in front. Look, I'm getting the look. Yeah, you'll get the 4-seater sofa in there.
Yeah.
Just got to work out where
Loads of room.
to put the sideboard and the fucking puffy.
Who are you calling a puffy?
Aye, somebody's getting a hard on over the Pan-European. Oh, you gotta go? I'll shove it over there, mate.
Have they not got reverse gears then?
Yeah.
GPS disconnected.
Where you going there?
GPS connected.
Next to my mate Honda.